Welcome back, friends! In today's video, we're exploring one of Bangkok's vibrant outdoor food markets, right under the metro train. Here, you'll see locals grabbing healthy, affordable lunches amidst the incredible hustle and bustle. While Thailand is a tourist favorite, many locals face challenges with inflated housing costs. That's why spots like this are vital. With delicious meals ranging from just $1 to $5, it's easy to see why this market is cherished for its incredible value. Thanks for watching.